We know the importance of getting Waikato kids involved in science, not only to show them how it shapes the world they live in, but also to alert them to opportunities and careers in science and technology, and help our country thrive in the face of technological change. In 2016, the Kudos Science Trust established the first Science Spinners Creative Lab to help engage more Year 9 and 10 students from low decile Waikato schools in hands-on learning and to inspire them to consider some of the exciting career paths science can offer.
There's going to be plenty of kids who are talented and who could have great careers in science and make valuable contributions who aren't given those same chances. And then what the Science Spinners is trying to do is identify all of that sort of untapped potential and unlock it.
It's helped me relate science to my everyday life, and it inspires me a lot to try get more into science. You learn a lot and everything about it is really fun.
The Science Spinners Creative Lab is an action-packed day of fun, interactive activities run with the support of Kudos award-winning scientists and industry professionals.
It was really good. The students are so engaged, and it's not only productive but it's proactive, so they're actually applying it in a practical sense. I think that's really important.
The Creative Lab houses 4 mini-labs offering creative activities in the medical, food technology, environmental and sport science fields to help students connect science to everyday activities.
One of the things I struggle with in the classroom is getting the students to relate the learning to the real world. What I saw today with our students interacting with the various exhibits and demonstrations was some of them were really challenged to think in a new way about science.
In 2017, Science Spinners introduced CodeHub, partnering with Hamilton-based tech company Code Avengers, giving students a taste of digital technology careers.
Amazing opportunity for our students. They come from a small rural school, and just to be able to get out about, learn a whole lot about digital technology, that's just really important. Get some connections with people who are doing stuff in the real world. Can't recommend it more.
Today I learned how to code my own game and website. I got to meet a lot of new people here. I would recommend this to a lot of people that are interested in the tech world because it can help start you off and start maybe a career.
These programs have opened doors to science for over 1,000 Waikato students. Students who once thought science was just for geeks. Science Spinners has changed this, and the Kudos Science Trust is working hard to expand the program, to provide even more Waikato students with a resource that connects them and empowers them for better career prospects.